Welcome to PryCity tutorials. My name is Jose. Today I'm going to be showing you how to browse our store. So first of all, you need to type PryCity.com and hit enter, and you're gonna get our website front page. The front page, you're gonna see always new arrivals. Every time that we put up a new item or product, you're gonna actually see on the front page. You could actually browse here or go straight shopping, or go up on the top where it says shop. You could actually go there. That's actually like a random shop site. Here you could actually browse by categories. We have different categories. You're gonna see recent posts, recent tweets. You could actually share our website with your most used social network or social media. Here you could actually subscribe for new arrivals, new updates, new discounts, offers, sales. If you subscribe, we don't use your information for thirds. We actually just use it for ourselves, for our site. We always make sure your information is always 100% secure. So here you see we are protected. Here in the follow us section, you could actually see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. That's actually our own social media. You could actually follow us there. In the VIP purchase area, that's where you're gonna find any information needed or any concern that you actually have. You could actually go and search them and let us help you. Any concerns, any questions about your account, purchase, returns, anything that you need to have a hand with, we have it here. In this little spot here, you're gonna see a little videos when we actually put up, so you can actually see some of our new modifications on our site. You can search by tags. So in the bottom, you're gonna see the little flag. It depends where you live at, your language. You can actually decide what kind of language you need to use. So in the top, you see your account, wish list, and cart. This is where you actually buy. Here you're gonna see more that's actually about your account, policy, terms, returns, cookies, policies, disclaimer. Like I said, wish list is here too. You could actually go straight to checkout. Here in this area is discounts, our blog, home, and shop. Like right now, if you decide just to, in the beginning, you browse here and you saw something that you might like. Let's say you like this. You could either hit the link or just say select option. In this area, you're gonna see the products. On the bottom, you could actually select the product that you think you might like, or right here, you could actually browse on it, or just click and make it resize. So if you decide any color, you could actually browse it here. Let's say you want brown, and the size that you need is medium. You're gonna see it here. You could actually, like I said, you could actually open it up a little bit more. You see it completely. So if you don't want none of this, you could actually make it clear. So make sure that if you just want one, just type it one, or you want 2, 3, 4, it depends on you. You could either put it on your art card, or like we always recommend, put it on the wish list. It's right here on the top, the little heart. So like I said, you could actually share this on your social networks. Here you see description, additional information, reviews. You could actually leave your own review and submit it. You're gonna see related items. If you go to the description, it's almost the same. You're gonna see the pictures on the bottom. You're gonna see the size chart, related products, related products. So if you decide actually to buy this one, right? Let's say that you actually want this one, and you thought about buying it, you could actually go ahead to your wish list, and here is gonna be the wish list. So it's on stock, the unique price. Like I said, you could actually share it. But let's say that you want something else, right? Like I said, you could go shop. In this area, you're gonna see, like I said, random products. You could actually keep on browsing. Let's say that you want this and you want to see it before you actually decide. You could click on the picture, and here you can actually see it. See whatever you decide. You could actually click on add cart, and like I said, you could actually make it bigger or resize it. Just close it here if you don't want it. We always recommend to go to select action, and here you decide whatever you really need. If not, so that way you could actually put it on wish list. But here, if you actually decide the red, right? Decide the red color, blue color, whatever color you want. You could actually, in this little heart, is added on your wish list right here. One thing you don't really need to register for the first time. You could do so, but you could actually register when you're gonna go on checkout. So here you hit the wish list, and here you got both of them, right? So here you decide the option. That's why we recommend you to go straight to the option, and that way you decide, and it's better off being straight what you really need instead of just going back and forth, because you need to reselect here the option that you want. So it's better off not doing it. If you want to delete something, like you just saw, I just hit the cross button and I actually decided to delete it. Why we recommend this? Because actually here you could decide if you want to buy this first product, second product, or you want to buy both. We have on the top part discounts. So I'm going to actually open it in a different browser or different link, because here you're going to see the discounts, right? So this here goes with electronics, so it's actually 5% off. So you need to browse for 5% discount, and here you see the discount code. So if I want to add this to the cart, and it's actually on the cart side, either you want checkout or actually you put it in the cart, you need, or if you want, you do add the code right here. So you apply the code, and you're gonna see that it actually made a discount, right? So if I want to go back to this and add it to the cart, it's gonna be right here. Give it a cart, and I know that goes with before choosing. You don't actually see that it goes to men categories, right? So it's actually a 15% discount. So you gotta browse for the 15% discount, the code, copy, paste the code, and here you're gonna see that it actually just removed the other code. So that means that you actually put the code just for this product. So it's better off, right? Buying, knowing for the code that you actually want a discount, instead of doing this, because right now if you do this, your discount is just gonna be for men category. So if you remove this, see, it's not, there's no discount. So it's better off, like I said, doing it one by one, or if you know that you actually have all your product for the 15% discount, then you just apply, and you're gonna see that all of them, they're gonna be discounted. So if you decide that you have 10 or 3 or 4 just one product, and you apply the discount, and right here if you want to do a more quantity, you actually add it here and then update the cart. So if you have the discount and you want to proceed to checkout, just click on that, and in this part you gotta type your name, last name, just in case you have a special company or something, you can actually type it down here. All of them that are red, they need to be filled out, and make sure that you type everything correctly. We are not responsible for any misspell or mistyped information from you. If you think that you mistyped something, just let us know real quick before we make the delivery. If you have any additional information, you can write it down here and let us know any changes or anything that you want specific for this order. Like right, you see the price for just one product, subtotal price, the coupon, the discount, the total. Tap here. We actually have PayPal, but when you proceed to checkout, you will be able to actually use a credit card, Visa, or your PayPal account. Like right now, I'm not gonna be buying nothing, right? I'm just gonna be showing you how to do a little process. If I click on proceed to PayPal, see, everything is not written, so that's why it's not gonna give me access to keep on going, right? But when you finish to do that, you need to go to your email, make sure that you click on the submit email, and it's gonna actually make you come back and make sure that you actually are the right person, the right information. Then you proceed to checkout, buy, and at the end you're gonna have a confirmation number. that anything that you want us to figure out, fix, or cancel, any of your concerns, remember you need to actually let us know your confirmation number. So when the product is ready to be shipped, we're gonna actually give you a tracking number. With that tracking number, you will be able to actually access your account and track your package or your product. So I think you actually might understand how this similar website works, and I hope that this little tutorial is going to be able to actually help you and make you understand how we work and our services. Like I said, you could register in the beginning, but we recommend doing that after you're gonna go really to checkout. Your wish list is gonna be here. Like right now, there's none because I actually eliminated. But if there was one, you could actually click save on your cart, view it on the cart, and checkout. Like right now, if I go straight to checkout, it's gonna take me to register. Why? Because I'm not registered. So if you come back, you could actually browse without signing in. You could actually browse our store, and when you're gonna go straight to checkout, instead of going straight to checkout, you first log in. That way your all information is gonna be written down, and when you go to checkout, it's gonna be more easier. If you decide to register before browsing or before shopping, there's no problem. That depends on the person, or actually we recommend that because that way you really decide to buy. So if just in case, right, you have any concerns, information that you need, we're gonna be able to have a special person or a special assistance that will actually give you a hand when you log in. When you log in, there's in the corners there's gonna be a system that might be able to actually help you in any concerns, any questions. It's gonna be right here, ready to give you a hand. Remember, subscribe so you will have more updates on our site, new arrivals, new discounts. So we hope that this little tutorial will be able to actually make you understand that we actually are ready for your service. Thank you very much, and remember, PryCity.com.